Assalamu alaikum, Nazreen. Welcome to another edition of the Sheffield Warriors Sports Club's continuing coverage of the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 being held in Pakistan. तो आज फिर से हमने मदऊ किया बिलाल को for the latest match that happened at Gaddafi Stadium. He's joining us from Lahore. और लाहौर में ही मैच हुआ था, बड़ा एक्साइटिंग एंटरटेनिंग, अफगानिस्तान वर्सेस इंग्लैंड। और दोनों टीमों के लिए एक मस्ट विन सिचुएशन थी क्योंकि साउथ अफ्रीका और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मैच पहले रेन की वजह से अबैंडन हो गया था एक दिन पहले। तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग मैच था। वेलकम बिलाल।
जी, क्या हाल है दिल भाई? हाउ आर यू?
ठीक ठाक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो आप ने एक और मैच गद्दाफी में विटनेस किया जो कि और यानी कि क्लोज मैच था वंस अगेन।
ये एक्चुअली बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग मैच था बिकॉज आई वुड से कि टेल ऑफ मेनी स्मॉल क्वार्टर्स, हाफ्स भी नहीं क्वार्टर्स थे, जिसमें काफी ट्विस्ट्स एंड टर्न्स होते रहे थ्रू आउट द मैच।
हम्म।
स्टार्ट में तो जब उनकी अर्ली विकेट्स गिरी तो फिर तो लग रहा था कि इट्स जस्ट गोना बी अ वन वे
या
बैशिंग बाय द इंग्लिश टीम, बट I guess अच्छी रिकवरी की, but I think in the last 10 15 overs they just it was completely they lost the plot. I guess वो injury भी हो गई वुड को, वो बाहर
या
हो गया, and then Livingston was also not available for a few overs, तो वो रूट को तो काफी मार पड़ी. But generally England sort of had a very odd body language. बिल्कुल जिस तरह towards the end of the inning तो बिल्कुल लग रहा था कि वो they didn't have any idea what to do.
आई लाइक
तो
इब्राहिम जादरान इनिंग्स। वो बड़ा अच्छा मिडिल ओवर्स में उसने
हाँ जी.
मैनेज किया। आई मीन मिडिल ओवर्स में स्लो डाउन इस तरह तो नहीं, लेकिन आई मीन सिंगल्स, रोटेट की स्ट्राइक, गेट योर बाउंड्रीज, और फिर बाद में
हम्म.
एक एक्सेलरेशन मिल गई जब 3 विकेटें गिर गई थी पहले अफगानिस्तान की।
जी जी जी. हाँ, बहुत अच्छे उन्होंने they build the innings up very nicely, because especially when you lose those early wickets तो फिर तो एक तो pressure भी आ जाता है, and then just the fact that they're the minnows, right? So
या
वो they're not expected to score 300 plus runs
या
every match. वो और especially losing those early wickets तो फिर काफी pressure था, but he played a very good inning, and surprisingly throughout the innings aggressive भी रहा बीच में, ये भी नहीं कि बिल्कुल he slowed down. तो बाउंड्रीज आ रही थी, वो नैब आल्सो प्लेड वेल, द कैप्टन नबी, सॉरी नबी, वो जो पहले इनका कैप्टन होता था, ही हैड अ
या
गुड इनिंग एज वेल. तो या आई मीन आई वाजंट एक्सपेक्टिंग 300 प्लस. मैं तो सोच रहा था प्रॉब्ली लाइक 260 270 तक आफ्टर द फर्स्ट फ्यू overs. तो दे हैड अ ग्रेट कम बैक, स्पेशली द लास्ट जो ओवर्स थे उसमें तो बहुत इन्होंने एग्रेसिवली
या
स्कोर किया. So they put a
The
very decent total.
once they got to 320 something, I think they were in a good position क्योंकि they're
Mm.
लोग कहते हैं कि they're 1 or 2 wickets away, 1 or 2 good spells away. Afghanistan can produce some bowling, even though flat and
Mm.
लेकिन जो विकेट्स यानी कि अगर वो प्रोड्यूस कर ले, और जो उन्होंने की बाद में दे वक्तन फवक्तन उनको विकेट्स मिली थी, उन्होंने काफी ब्रेक थ्रू
Mm.
अपनी। हालांकि फील्डिंग
जी
कैचेस ड्रॉप हुए हैं, it became very tense. England had lost
जी.
quite a lot of wickets but with Root there at the end with Overton, कुछ चांस था।
बिल्कुल जी. अगेन इंग्लैंड की भी इनिंग काफी स्टैंडर्ड ही अब हो गया है, जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ भी यही था. दे लॉस्ट द टू अर्ली विकेट्स, सॉल्ट एंड देन स्मिथ, बोथ
Yeah.
दोनों ही इस टूर्नामेंट में नहीं परफॉर्म कर सके. दे हैड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पार्टनरशिप गोइंग फॉर द थर्ड विकेट, बट एट नो पॉइंट डिड आई फील के भी वो दे वर कंफर्टेबल. वो हर
Yeah.
वक्त जैसे ही उनका मोमेंटम बनता था दे वुड लूज अ विकेट.
Yeah.
तो which is the worst. They did sort of have these small partnerships here and there, वो बन रही थी, and momentum बनता था, and then they would lose a wicket. So वो England, I don't know, but it was a very good play. I mean, even given that के अफगानिस्तान ने स्कोर किया था 300 plus, I still thought England would chase it. मुझे था कि
Yeah. Mm.
pitch is very good. They
Yeah.
have a great chance to do it. And they even I think they had a chance to do it, but
yeah,
bus it's one of
yeah,
those things ke
yeah.
वो we were calculating कि जी ये तो मैच अब इंग्लैंड जीत जाएगा और फिर इंग्लैंड और साउथ अफ्रीका का होगा.
Mm,
Never happens that way, right? वो
yeah,
any given day कुछ भी हो सकता है.
yeah.
तो अफगानिस्तान had a
Yeah,
great.
very interesting, tense moments towards the end, and very
Hmm.
exciting match to witness. I think जो उनका player है Umar Zai, I mean, he performed with the end in the batting as well. और
हाँ
named
जी.
ICC Cricketer of the Year, उसको 5 wickets भी, meaning 5 for 58. So they got the dismissals in the end. I think Root का dismissal was key at a very crucial time. 120 पर जब वो add कर रहा था तो he got out.
जी.
क्योंकि कोई
But
प्लेयर होना
वही
चाहिए।
that was the story throughout, कि जब जो क्रूशल मोमेंट्स थे,
हम्म,
जो well, crucial moments तो बाद में आई गेस वो हम when we look back at it तो थे, but during the game जब whenever they needed some solidity, some partnership, some aggression, उसी point पे आके ना they lost the wicket.
yeah,
और but Afghanistan also bowled well. वो ये नहीं कि
yeah,
इंग्लैंड पे ही सारा है.
yeah,
Afghanistan played a very good match.
yeah, yeah.
We should give
So
them credit.
I think if Afghanistan are no longer, they're coming out of this minnows tag. They're a pretty good side now.
They are, yes, I mean, they've knocked out the West Indies and Sri Lanka out of the Champions Trophy.
Yeah,
So that's no small feat.
yeah,
They're now in the top eight.
yeah.
And abhi more recently, what T20 के अंदर तो they were very good.
Semi-finalists.
Unfortunate, but
Yeah,
बहुत अच्छा खेले. And even one-day internationals में भी अब they're starting to perform well. T20 में तो खैर जरा थोड़ी different game
yeah,
होती है
yeah,
उसमें,
yeah, yeah,
you can get by, but the ODIs
yeah,
are more strategic and difficult.
yeah,
उसमें भी अब अच्छा perform करना शुरू हो गए हैं. They have
yeah,
spinners तो हमेशा से थे, कुछ अच्छे fast bowlers भी हैं.
yeah,
Fazal Haq Farooqi इस दफा he didn't perform
yeah,
as he did in the T20s,
yeah.
but overall, I mean, they have good.
The good.
I think bowling wise तो अच्छा है उनका setup है. They have a lot of options.
As a result of this, England are knocked out. Afghanistan have a kind of a knockout kind of a situation now, coming back to Lahore, playing Australia in the
Yeah.
final match, and Australia has to win that match as well. तो अब तो बड़ा
So
इंटरेस्टिंग हो गया है ये ग्रुप.
so which game is first? Is it the Australian game first or the
Yeah,
South African
the
game?
Australian game is first, and then Saturday South Africa.
Uh, so I think that is also a very interesting thing. वो South Africa might know exactly going
What to
in के
do?
भी क्या situation. But in any case, for them, it's just they have to win. They have to go for the win. Even
Yeah,
अगर अफगानिस्तान हार जाता है, तो they automatically they qualify.
yeah,
Um, but then they would have the option of who they want to play.
yeah,
आगे भी
yeah,
वो
yeah.
भी एक चीज आ जाती है. They want to
What
play in Dubai or they want to play here
हाँ,
or what?
what
How?
what it makes it like another. I mean, दो games आपने कजाफी स्टेडियम में already देख लिए हैं जो बड़े close गए हैं. I mean,
Hmm.
probably the best
Hmm.
so far the Champions Trophy.
Hmm.
Is playing a part in some other games. The
जी.
third game is Afghanistan versus Australia, which is also a must-win knockout kind of a scenario for both teams.
जी.
They have to
Yeah.
win, and that's also in
Yeah.
Lahore on Friday. I mean, let's see if the weather holds on. Probably it will.
Yeah, it is drizzling here again,
Yeah,
but not like Islamabad. Islamabad में तो there's been a constant drizzle for the last few days.
yeah.
इधर small आते हैं time आता है जिसके अंदर होता है, but then I think it should be okay.
I think
Uh,
it's scheduled. I mean, predicted to be okay later on in the game. तो जिस तरह progress
hmm.
करेंगे, I don't think there'll be much rain. Maybe it'll be
जी,
all
मतलब
right.
persistent नहीं है. There's
हाँ,
there's like small जो है वो pockets आती हैं and then it just goes away. But now ये भी बड़ा interesting है कि India has obviously played all their matches in Dubai,
yeah,
and a lot of these teams have played, मतलब जिस तरह Group A के अलावा तो Group B has played all their matches here.
yeah,
So they're sort of used to these pitches now, ये जब इस tournament में.
yeah,
तो ये भी interesting होगा for a team traveling to Dubai to
yeah,
play.
yeah,
Strategy भी change हो जाएगी, pitch
yeah,
भी change हो जाएंगी. So ये भी एक फैक्टर बीच में आ जाएगा going forward.
Yeah. So yeah, it's going to be it's interesting. Group B has become very interesting and made things interesting. लेकिन अब तक के लिए इतना ही. Thank you very much for joining us and breaking down the Afghanistan England game. Very interesting, and inshallah we'll hope to see you again in another session soon.
जरूर जी. Thank
Okay.
you.
Nazreen, that's all for now, and we will catch you in another session pretty soon. तो अपना ख्याल रखिए. Watch, like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.